Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kenya, and I hope you guys are doing just as good as I am right now because I'm excited. I want to show you guys this product that I just came across. It's not a new product, but it's new to me. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I just learned and a little DIY. And if this is your first time stopping in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Also turn that notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I upload my next video. And let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So the product I'm going to be talking about today is this right here, which is the Kiss Dip. It's called Lightning Speed Dip Kit. And y'all, when they say lightning speed, it really means lightning speed because it is fast. It is the fastest acrylic nail job that I've ever came across, ever tried on myself. It's cheap, it's affordable, it's $15, y'all. $15.99 that I spent at Walgreens. I think you can find this at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, probably a lot of drugstores that sell the Kiss products in general. So look around, guys, so you probably can order it off of Kiss website. But so far I'm loving it. I'm going to show you guys why. This is not my first time trying it. I have tried it on my daughter already, so you won't see me like, this is not a review or anything. This is just me showing you what I've learned already. Came in this thing like this. Might be upside down, but this is what it looks like when it comes. So it comes with 0.25 ounces of dipping powder, 0.64 fluid ounce of gel activator spray. When you first get this out the package, it does not have the spray connected. This right here is not connected, it's separated, so it has like a little cap. Where's the cap? So when it first comes in the package, it will have a cap on it like this, so you probably would be like, well, where is the spray? No, it's, you just have to connect it to, you know, change the tops, that's all. Also comes with the brush on gel, and this is only 0.25 ounces. This is the only like thing I just do not like. I wish it was a little bit more because you have to use a lot of this, you'll see. It comes with a set of nails, some white tips, and some natural clear tips. And it opens like this, so I have it on 2 different sides. What else? It also comes with a cuticle pusher, just a little stick right here, and a little nail filer. It's a tiny little thing which I'm not gonna use, and a buffer. This buffer is pretty hard. Like, this junk is so rough. I kind of like it. And it also comes with the instructions. It does come with the instructions, but I'm not going to read the instructions because, like I said, I've tried it already, so I kind of already know what step. And as you can see, guys, you look, I have, as they would call them, bitten nails. I do bite my nails. I have a very short and small nail bed. I have my own set of nails, so I'm going to be using this. To speed this process up, I have already sized them and I already have them all out. So you're also going to need a little paper towel of some sort, towel or paper towel. So just go ahead and get it out the way. Before you start, it's best that you just go ahead and, like, you know, apply, put the little spray part on top of the bottle. Get everything in front of you because once you put the nails on, you don't want to be reaching over and knock things off. These things are extremely small and I'm extremely clumsy. Move this out the way. So I'm going to be using a 5-second professional nail glue that I purchased from Sally's. I prefer to use this. They want you to use the brush on nail glue to apply the nails to your nail. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is start prepping your nails. Give yourself a little mini manicure. Just to note, I don't think I mentioned at the beginning that I am not a professional. I am not a professional. I'm gonna say it again. I'm not a professional, but I do watch a lot of videos and I have been like practicing. So I'm just telling you, I want to know, but I have a few tools that I just know how to give myself a little manicure. And a part of that manicure meaning is to just, you know, cuticles, and all that other stuff. Then you want to buff and get that shine off your nail bed. This is gonna help the product stick to your nails better, longer, and faster. So yeah, just buff a little bit, or if you have any primer or nail dehydrator, you can purchase that from Sally's or whatever nail store, and you can put that on there. And I'm just going ahead and size. I already sized my nail, pre-sized it, got it all out. So I'm just applying it with the glue. The instructions also suggest that you go ahead and shape your nails according to whatever shape you desire. So in this case, I want them just like that, but I don't want the sharp edges and everything. So I'm just filing, getting rid of the sharp feel and corners and all that. So that's what I'm doing. Open this up. Open this up, but not take the top off. Just have it open. This is the gel. Get you a little brush. This is one of my makeup brushes that I do not use, so I decided to just use it here. But get you something to dust off. If you have like a nail brush or something, get it, because you'll see. So the first thing they want you to do is apply a coat of the gel to the nail evenly, as if you were painting your nails, but do not get it on your skin. After you do that, I prefer to do it one by one, but after you do that, you go ahead and just dip your finger all the way in where it covers up the entire nail, and then take it out, tap it off. But I feel like when you tap it, it still leaves like this thick behind layer on there, and it tends to like get clumpy when you'll see why. It tends to get a little clumpy. So I prefer, and to save product, put your nail over the nail dip, the powder, and brush all that excess back inside. Brush it back inside, because you're gonna need it. And just go ahead and do the other ones. This is the first layer, and you're just gonna go ahead and repeat the steps a second time. The only difference when you're applying it the second time, when you put the gel on your nail, the paper towel, the purpose of the paper towel is to wipe off the brush before putting it back inside the bottle, because you do not want to put powder, the dipping powder, inside of the glue, and it will cause it to be all clumpy, and you basically need to throw the whole thing away. So that's the purpose of the paper towel. As you can see, I'm wiping it off. Every time I put a coat on, I wipe it off and then put it back inside of the bottle. Now you're going to go ahead and apply the glue to each nail for the third time. Okay, one more time, guys, and then that's it. So you go ahead and apply it to each nail. This time we're not including the dipping powder. We're done with the dipping powder. Now we're going to use the activator, the gel activator. So do the same thing. Remember to wipe the brush off on a paper towel every time you apply some on the nail, because remember that top coat on that nail right now is the powder. So put it on each nail, and then we're going to move on to spraying and activating the gel. Now grab the activator, the gel activator, and you're going to spray all 5 nails at one time and hold it about 6 inches away from the nails and spray about 2 to 3 times. This thing literally takes about 30 seconds or less to dry, so just don't sit there forever waiting. I'm doing my final touches, buffing it out, making sure it's shaped good, smoothing out the surface, the corners, you know, all that. As you can see, I went ahead and did my other hand off camera. Same steps I did at the beginning on the other hand. I prefer to do my dominant hand first because it's very difficult. But yeah, so I'm doing my other hand, doing the exact same thing, y'all. Shaping it up, buffing it out. So I'm done with all the filing, guys. This is what it looks like after all the filing and buffing and all that. So I'm so happy to be done, y'all. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash my nails off. Yep, I'm back. Hands are freshly washed. And now I just need to dry them off and apply a top coat, y'all. So get your favorite top coat and apply it. Or if you want to use some polish, whatever you want to do, but I'm just showing you what it looks like with just some clear top coat. This is a gel top coat. So I figured I'll just go ahead and polish one hand, because I figured there's always that one person that probably want to see what it looks like with polish on. And I think I'm one of those one of those people rather, that would like to see what it looks like. So I'm trying to decide whether the pink or the nude. I wish I could just talk to you guys live and ask you which one, but I went ahead with the nude, and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like with some polish on, y'all. So check it out. I went ahead and wiped that top coat off, by the way, before I applied this, but I'm already loving it. As soon as I applied that first layer, I was like, yes, this looks really, really good. And if you have any, if you did it and you probably have some mistakes, I think camouflaging it with some polish is the best thing to do. So get your favorite polish and go to work. As you can see, I'm done. I went ahead and applied some oil to my cuticles, and yeah, the polish is dry. Look at the finishing results. If y'all like this as much as I do, please give this video a thumbs up, guys, because the outcome was awesome. For $15, do it yourself at home, y'all. Why not? Go ahead and try it out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to check out some more DIY videos that's coming your way soon on this channel. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to hit me up on my social media sites, which will be listed down below. Toodles.